Hello guys, welcome to Gadget. The iPhone 8 has been on the market for a little more than 7 months, and that can only mean one thing. A new iPhone is right around the corner. Here's everything we know about the iPhone 9, including the latest news, rumors and leaks, plus speculative release date, specs and pricing details. There's no guarantee the next iPhone will be called the iPhone 9. In fact, there's a good chance it won't be. Why, you ask? Because with the iPhone X or iPhone 10 on the market, the iPhone 9 could be seen by a consumer as a step backwards, which is something Apple may understandably be keen to avoid. Some tipsters claim that the next iPhone will be called the iPhone 8s. It's a prediction that makes a lot of sense. Apple has previously used the S suffix to denote incremental updates to existing iPhone models, and that's something 2018 could certainly offer. So what does it look like? And is it powerful? There's no clear-cut answer to those questions. Much of what we've heard to date came in the form of dubious rumors with little if any evidence to back them up. With that in mind, we'd recommend taking all of the following information with a considerable pinch of your preferred seasonings. Super Retina display. When Apple announced the iPhone X, it said that the near edge-to-edge OLED screen that debuted on the handset will set the standard for future iPhones. So it should come as no surprise to hear that there's chatter claiming that the next iPhone will feature a near edge-to-edge OLED. However, a Wall Street Journal report from September 2017 threw lukewarm water on the rumor, claiming that Apple had expressed a keen interest in purchasing a large number of LCDs from Japan Display, expected to make up to 70% of the firm's total screen orders for the next wave of iPhones. There's no word on whether the deal went through, but based on the lack of gossip, we're going to go out on a limb and say it didn't. And that's good, because it means there's a chance the iPhone 9 will come with an OLED screen after all, though we won't quite know how large it will be. Face ID. If Apple decides to switch to an all-front near edge-to-edge OLED on the iPhone 9, it's more than likely it will also do away with the Touch ID fingerprint sensor, replacing it with its Face ID face recognition feature that made its first and only to date appearance on the top-of-the-line iPhone X. Apple A12. It's looking ever more likely that Apple will bundle a brand new custom-built chip on the iPhone 9. Based on the firm's current naming convention, it will be called the Apple A12, and will likely offer a number of battery and performance improvements. For reference, the current A11 Bionic has two high-performance cores that are 25% faster than those of the 2-year-old A10 Fusion and 4 high-efficiency cores, which are around 70% snappier than those found on the A10 Fusion, according to Geekbench benchmark results. When it comes to release date and price, Apple has a long and constant history of iPhone releases, which makes the predicting the launch date of a new iPhone a straightforward task. With that in mind, we expect Apple to announce the iPhone 9 on September 11th or September 12th, with it hitting the shelf worldwide on September 21st. Apple tends to make its annual iPhone smartphone in early September and always on a Tuesday or Wednesday. And secondly, Apple usually launches a device for retails on a Friday in mid-September, leaving a narrow window for unveiling. So that's why we estimated the following dates. Reveal date Tuesday, September 11th or Wednesday, September 12th. Release date Friday, September 21st. There is, of course, the underlying chance that Apple could throw us a curveball and completely switch up its usual schedule. Although, as I said earlier, the firm is a creature of habit, so if that happened, we together with hundreds of expert analysts and reviewers, would be very surprised. We don't know the exact price of the iPhone 9, but you can bet your bottom dollar it will set you back a pretty penny. After all, the iPhone 8 saw the base cost of an iPhone rise to an eye-watering £699, which is loftier than the £599 Huawei P20 Pro and far beyond the now discontinued £449 OnePlus 5T. So what do you guys think? Do you think the rumors will be true? Leave us your opinion in the comment section below. Give us a like if you enjoyed the video and also subscribe for more info and updates. Thank you for watching. See you next time.